Hello, Angie again here at Midwest Family Adventures. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are already a subscriber, thank you for that. If you're here to watch unboxing of Oracle cards, then you are in the right place. This one right here is a little crazy for me, the Shapeshifters. It's something that is my sister's. She's gonna let me unbox it here in a few minutes. I'm just actually showing you it before we take it out of the little plastic here. Looks like some pretty cards. Like they're gonna be like, the illustration on them looks like they're gonna be beautiful. And I know my sister's got other cards that would buy the Jasmine Bracket Griffin. So she really loved those before. I've teamed up with friends and family in the neighborhood who enjoy Oracle cards and Oracle readings. And they're letting me unbox some of their cards, so we have a variety of cards to show everybody. So this should be fun. So we've got the unboxing of the Oracle of the Shapeshifters. This is my sister's Oracle deck. Let me open this up. This is the guidebook here. It's got quite a bit to read before you get to your first card layout. Quite a bit to read and to learn. This one looks pretty intricate. So you got the past, present, and future spread. And you've got the Shapeshifters Celtic Cross. Sorry about the shadow right now, the light. It's just later in the day. And this is my sister's book, so she was at work, so she couldn't be here during the day but she said she liked this animal chakra spread. She thought that was interesting and different. So there's a lot of little different things here in this book that she needs to read about and see. And let me just go ahead and show you the cards real quick. So this is the Wolf Moon. And this is another Lucy Cavendish deck. So we got the number 1. These cards are nice. They're a little bit thin. That's not bad though. They are bigger, but they're not too big. These ones are nice and laminated. I love the color on them. So let's just give you a little look at some of these. Lucy knows a lot about mermaids and fairies, so she's a good author when it comes to that. Let's check these out. So let me just see how, it's kind of a little thick. I'm not going to shuffle them or anything, but I do like them. They're nice. So thanks for watching, and if you're interested in more unboxings, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button.